good, YouTube? How are we all doing today? Welcome to another Flow Training Academy live session. I'm Simon, one of the educators from Flow Training Academy. Let's just get some music going, guys. And get the boys in. We'll get cracking. Hope everyone's had a good week so far. Remember, last day of the week. No need to blow it all. If you're profitable, manage your risk. If you're unprofitable, definitely manage your risk. No need to give all your money back today, and no reason to make all your money today. Manage your risk, and let's have a good time, guys. Okay, so gold. Let's bring up the footprint chart here for you guys so you can see that just a little bit better, a little bit more of a good visual of what I'm looking at. So gold currently just stuck in this range, has been all morning. So for me, doing the London session, it would just very tightly compact in this range here between the 4010s and VWAP here is supporting price around the 39.93. So yeah, really tight consolidation range here. But what I'm looking for ideally is, first opportunity is going to be trying to break the 4010s, and if we fail to do that, as we did here and here and also here, and we close back inside, then there's potential opportunity to play shorts, and we head it back down to the VWAP. Failing that, if we continue to drop from here, so below the 4000s, then I would just have to sit back, watch it drop, because this is just so tight, so congested for me in this range here. And also the VWAP is just there, so do you really want to be selling directly into the VWAP, or is it better just to let it pass, break down the VWAP, come down to the 39.80s, which would align quite nicely with yesterday's daily lows? And if we try and break that with aggressive selling volume, I will then look to take longs, providing that buys show their hand, providing that the aggressive selling cannot continue down. And if we manage to get back above the 39.80s, then I'll look to play it long back to the 4010s. That's ideally what I'm looking for today, guys. We're in a bit of a range here. We had a really huge drop yesterday during when was that? During the NYSE yesterday. Huge sell-off. And then we finally bottomed out. Now this is a really key level for me, guys. That's why I'm watching this. Why I've got it drawn out. I've actually had this drawn out for a number of weeks now. If we go all the way back to, wow, this is how long I've had this level drawn out, guys. Look at that. Look at how it's holding. Failures to break. A lot of failing to break. So this level actually comes from 24th of June. Guys, this is a really significant level of interest for me. Is this down here? We had huge buyers come into the market after a massive drop. A lot of order flow activity around this price. You can see here 133 on the bid, 116 on the ask. Down here again 73 on the bid, and then 219 at the exact same price at the 39.90s. So that's why I'm talking about the 39.90s and the 39.80s, because I believe that providing that the selling is aggressive enough into these levels and it fails to break, then we can see a return to the upside again. So that's why it's such a key level for me, guys. That's why it's marked up on my chart. That's exactly what I'll be looking for. So I know a lot of people just call this support, but this is actually born out of real order flow data. Again, here you see, even as we approach the middle of July, we have failed to break it again on numerous occasions. So let's see if we can hold again, potentially push up to the upside, and then we'll take our trade accordingly. Let's get the Bookmap back up. Same thing on Bookmap, got the 4010s drawn up. Ideally, the best sell for me, I think, is going to come from the 4025s. If we fail to hold 4010, then I will be looking at the 4025s. This area of low volume as well, it's also an area of low volume that I've got drawn out. And you can see it here on the footprint, but again, another key area of supply I'll be looking to take my shorts from. But let's see, guys, let's see if we continue to push down. Expecting a bit of volume today. And yeah, we'll just trade what we see. Let's let the boys in.
And stay break even.
So, everybody, here we go.
I want to take the rest down here. Let's see.
Beautiful. Here we go, guys. What's up, Discord?
What's up? What's up?
What's up, Discord? How we doing?
Hello.
Doing great.
We are chilling.
Good analysis. We have,
Watching
balanced session.
money while you guys are sitting on your hands.
We have balanced session for basically prior session New York and current day session. So display the range.
Beautiful, beautiful. Do you want me to share your screen, Will?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Tell me when I'm up.
Okay, go for it, bro.
Okay, so on the right hand side we can see our volume profiles. New York session, very balanced. Earned day, very balanced. So what we would like to see is, just fading, try to fade the highs up here. Did give one setup over here, but that was basically start of London session, and try to fade around the lows down here. And anything in the middle is gonna be tricky, You see profit, you just take it, get the hell out, because it can rotate all around.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't know if you heard the analysis we were going through earlier. That 40,
I did.
Yeah. So, exactly the same range. Exactly the same range we're looking for here. It's starting to come down a little bit. Let's see if the VWAP does hold. It's conscious of selling into the VWAP, but let's see what happens. See if we can break it.
Yeah, you can kind of see right here we're tapping into some imbalances, but the fact that VWAP's going sideways, we're on top of the POC area, it's like, none of that really matters.
Yeah, definitely. What about you, Kay? Do you want me to share your screen?
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, go for it.
Okay, yep. So, we're having a balanced day, as we can see. It's a D-shaped profile, so we're going to have a lot of back and forth trades. However, if you look at previous day, we are still trading within this balance area. Earlier we used this peak as resistance. Okay, and that's where we had the drop from, so I'm not going to use that again. I'm going to be looking at this area. This is where I'm expecting a reaction before this distribution. Okay, so that's one thing. That's the volume profile. And if we were to look at the gamma levels, we have 1.2 million sitting at 4,000. Then minus 405k at 40.25. 39.75 we have minus 609.87. And if you were to look at my chart, look where we bounced off of from 39.74.4, around that region. Okay, so yes. However, if you look below that, 39.50, which is put support for today, and look, we're looking at June 17, we have 1.1 million sitting over there. So I'm expecting looks like I got stopped out on my runner. So I'm looking for the price to get to that spot. By the way, this is the absolute sell level, 40.25. Now, if we go back to our chart, where is 40.25? Somewhere here, right? Yes, 40.25 is sitting over there. So above 425 candles high, about 4 handles. Now where is 425 candle? This is the 425 candle, right? 4 handles above. That's why I drew that zone, and this zone lines up with my gamma level. So if I were to look for a sell, this would be the zone where I'll be looking for sells. So that's about it for now, bro. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you, man. Beautiful, it's great. I think all of us are looking at the same areas, definitely for the shorts as well.
Yes.
That 40.25 would be absolutely perfect. if we can get there. And it looks like, guys, again, you can see we're just bouncing off the VWAP yet again. Such a tight range. You know, you can see K was able to take a trade there using order flow. If I was to compare that to a candlestick chart, I mean, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Any guru trading that right now is a layer.
I'm actually just scalping within this range, but I wouldn't recommend anyone doing it because we are sitting in the noise zone. You're gonna get spiked out a lot, and if you don't have the right tool, you're definitely gonna get spiked out.
Yeah, that's
definitely,
key, guys. That's key, guys. Have the right tool. Kay's an experienced trader, using the order flow to scalp this really tight range. But if you guys are new to our channel and you're still using a candlestick chart and you're just looking at this is ultimate stop loss country.
Oh, yeah.
Like that stop loss country.
This is John Wick 4.0.
This is John
You're
Wick.
gonna go wicked out.
There it is, guys. That's the VWAP. For those of you that couldn't see it overly clearly, there it is. It's just holding like a champ again. For everyone that has been on the YouTube streams this week, I've had a good couple of sessions, but yeah, a bit of a pain with just had a chop zone all week pretty much. So hopefully during NYSE we get some volume, start breaking out these ranges. Whoa, on the YouTube, can you hear an echo?
Hold on.
Quiet you down.
What's up, Liam?
I might have to quiet you down, so it might be for me as well.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Sounds good on YouTube. I do not hear an echo.
Okay, perfect. That's great. Thank you, man. Liam said he might have me on another screen, so it might just be an echo from there. That's fine. Okay, man, you got to give a shout. Eduardo's watching YouTube. What's up, Eduardo?
Up, Eduardo. By the way, Liam's voice is echoing.
Just, I'll that's the mic for now.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Invest in a good mic, my brother.
Maybe.
You're making a lot of money.
You're making a lot of money now. Liam is a member of the Flow Trading Academy. He's going to build a whole studio with the money he's made. Guys, don't forget, if you want to be part of the Flow Trading Academy, make sure you join the free Discord. The link is in the description, right at the top of our YouTube. Tons of free resources, tons of free content in there.
I mean, they're not going to lose out on anything if they just join the free channel. It's just going to give them more tools to add to their arsenal. You know, they're just going to make money. It's just going to help them in the future. Rather than looking for red and green signal. Okay, I think I'm going to short gold again.
Okay, bro, I'll go to your screen, bro, and then we can follow.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Let me go to your screen.
Market sell. I'll just take one micro though. I'll just take one micro. The reason I took it, if I can just show you. One sec. As you can see, we're below 4,000, right? And 4,000 is a key level. And you can see heavy sell came in over here, good volume. Market went and tapped that, then it rejected. And now look, we're doing more volume right under that. So if I were to mark this level, this is going to be the thingy, absolute resistance for this trade. And I'm looking to get to this area because we do have, if I were to go back, can you see all those buys came in over here? So I'm expecting the market to visit that again, and that would be my target.
Okay guys, Kay is currently in a short. If you want to join, make sure you manage your risk.
By the way, my stop is right above this candle. Previous 5 minutes candle is high.
Price is that. So on spot, that is 39.95. 39. 39.97.
So I'm risking about 4 handles. About 4 handles.
Good luck, brother. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. I mean, it's in the chop zone, so anything could happen. Anything could happen. That's why I'm risking less, taking smaller positions.
Boys, we never need luck.
No.
Probability is always on our side.
Luck has no impact.
May the order flow be with you. Remember, guys, it is Friday. Manage your risk accordingly. If you've had a good week, maybe you just take small positions, save that profit. There's no worse feeling, guys, than blowing a whole week's worth of profit on a Friday. I've done it. I'm sure we've all done it, and it sucks. And you carry it into the weekend, and it's crap. So manage your risk, guys. Enjoy the weekend.
This is what I like to say. Whatever you do, don't go into the weekend feeling like an asshole. Because if you do something stupid on Friday, you got all weekend to think about what an idiot you were.
Man, I do that every week. and it's nothing to do with trading. Just go into the weekend feeling like an idiot. Oh man. Right, how we doing, guys? How we doing? Yeah, still. When we get a bit closer to the NYSE open, it might
what time is the news, boys?
I don't think it's high impact, but it's in 10 minutes. 12 minutes.
What is it? What kind of news?
So Forex Factory has it as medium impact. It is building permits.
Okay.
And industrial production. So yeah, it's like a mixture.
Gotcha. I have a high impact news. It says US industrial production month on month. It says high impact on my thing. Okay. It's just
Just depends on the user if it feels like it needs to be high impact or medium.
Depends.
No, literally, my top step thing is saying high impact. Like, obviously, like, it doesn't.
That's probably because is that your prop firm. So
that's
the prop firms will have their version of high impact. So the stuff. So for example, like Alpha Capital calls it high impact because you can't trade around it. Although in the real world, it's like low impact, medium impact. Hope everyone's had a good week. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Find out when we're live. This week's been a bit of a quiet week, but definitely not on the Discord. Of course, some absolute bangers in the live trading room on Discord. But a London session, just because of all the high impact news, it's been pretty.
Look at that drop off of that zone again. Look at that.
Yeah,
I'm looking to get here.
Lovely
Looking to
rejection.
get here. Thank you. Okay. Let's make some sense. Okay. Let me just quickly make some points and then I can show you guys. If it does not find support here in this zone and we start trading here, where are we going? To the other side of the distribution, right? Which is here. For that, we have to break below this and get accepted within this area. If we do get accepted within this area, we're going here. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'll decide whether to take my trade off or not. Because if this kind of closes above all of these heavy buys, I'll take it off. If that happens, then it could essentially mean that it could travel back up to 4,000.
There's a lot of room to the downside now that we're breaking.
Yes, 100%. I'm actually, now that it's doing that, I'm expecting it to get to the other side. Okay, there are two price points that I'm looking at. One is here, this is the extreme of this, and it matches with the high volume peak, and this is the one. And beyond that, we could go down to this point. Okay. I'm sitting pretty on my trade, about 5 handles. It's only one micro though, guys, so I'm just gonna go break even at this point. There's no point of risking more than I should, because obviously it's a scalp trade. I don't have to be greedy about it. And I'm about to tap now. Okay, I'll take my profit off. Forget it.
Order filled.
Just take the money. See money, take money.
Kate's taking profit, man. So well done. W's in the chat. There's W's.
I will say, I took that breakout and I just caught a quick 2 handles, and I was like, oh, I'm good, bug it, I'm out.
Nice, guys. Very nice.
Because we are still on a chop zone. If you were to look, like, yes, over here it looks like 2 minor distributions. However, if you were to look at the whole overall picture, this is a massive distribution here. So yes, and if you were to look at TPO, you can see that, like, you know, this is a massive distribution. And what I've done was I split this profile. I'll show you how I've done that. So you can see there's a distribution here, distribution here. I've taken this distribution and merged it with today's D profile. So this is what I've done. I just split this. As you can see, I took out this value and I put them together. So if I were to merge them together, you get this, and this is the extreme of this profile, and this is the bottom extreme. It's a lot of advanced knowledge. Maybe in the future I will go and explain all of those in details.
Just coming down now. Beautiful. It got some volume now.
Yes. We have to break this. I feel that, well, there's a high chance that we're going to find some support here and we're going to have a little bounce. Now if we do get a bounce over here, we have nothing now. This is still valid and we should see some reaction here. We should. It doesn't have to happen. I'm saying that we should see some reaction.
Thank you, man. I was going to go back to my screen quickly, man. I'll come back to you in a second, man, if you see anything.
No problem. Go ahead.
Let's go check out mine, guys. So if you take that trade with K, congratulations. Hope you took a profit or manage your trade, taking some off, got break even, however you like to manage it. You see the mighty VWAP has failed. It's been defeated.
On a chop day, VWAP don't mean anything.
They've been defeated.
On D-Day, VWAP don't mean anything.
There we go, VWAP has been crushed. So we keep going. Can we keep going? Can we keep going, guys? I really want to try and see an attempt to break yesterday's low, come into this box, 39.55, 39.60s, and then try and get back to the other side. That would be great. Getting some passive orders stacking above price, so potentially this could help give this a bit of a nudge to the downside. If it can fill it.
Vistaprint, we print just about everything possible. Stickers with your logo, branded signage, or even 200 t-shirts with your face on. We're in. With our decades of know-how, we're ready to bring your ideas to life.
Are we doing paid advertisements now? Is that what we're doing, Simon?
Man, like, someone who's infiltrated our YouTube and advertising their cleaning. It's funny how you try and get some copyright free, but it's loaded with ads. How's that volume for you all anyway?
Seems fine. Seems fine.
Okay. Yeah, YouTube could be a real dick for copyright, man. Even if it hears a faint song in the background, it will flag it.
Yeah. It is an issue. They shouldn't do that, honestly. It's free advertising, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
You want people's music to be spread.
Exactly. Particularly if you've got 5,000 viewers or something like that. Surely you want the song. We've been on streams before and people are like, oh, what's the song playing in the background? What's the song playing in the background? It's free ads. Speaking of advertising, make sure you follow the link in our YouTube and join our free Discord. You want to trade with us every day, all day? Come to our Discord. If you just want to join a community, have some fun, but more importantly, learn how to use the order flow tools. You've seen we've had my Bookmap, footprint chart, case gamma, Wall's tick chart and footprint chart where you set it up. Literally, guys, thousands of dollars worth of order flow tools at your disposal that you can see all day, every single day. But you've got to start. Your journey starts by joining the Discord. Getting a liquidity, getting a bit thicker above price now, guys. So we could potentially try to keep heading down. Just on the Discord, guys, just to give you an example of it, this is where we are. You can see in the flow, you can see the trading room right now. We've got the boys in there, sharing their screens, sharing their thoughts. Got the daily plan, trade reviews. Here's a banger of a trade that we took yesterday. Daily analysis is the plan that I went through earlier. On YouTube, always post a daily plan within there, what we'll be looking at. So yeah, tons and tons of content, guys.
Sorry to interrupt, Simon. Would you be able to put the music down a little bit on the stream? I think music is overtaking your voice a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Is that better?
Let me check.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Even my voice is echoing now. There is an echo.
I think where could it be coming from? Here we go, guys, looking to can these buyers hold? So we've had an order filled on the ask. So it's going to be, I'm expecting to see a bit of volume and a bit of activity happening around this price level of 39.91. Okay, let's try and fix this echo.
Okay. We should see some support right below this. Right about here, we should see some support. But if we break this, right where it is now, okay, it's about 100 range. Okay. There you go, here's the reaction. Market holding a little bit. But looking at the macro profile, we're just gonna go down. This shouldn't have a massive impact. All we're doing is just looking for a reaction around here.
Okay, can you try and talk again, man? 2 secs.
Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Maybe put my voice down a little bit, like volume down on my voice. If you just right click on my name and drag the slider down a little bit.
Yeah, just waiting for you. Hang on, just let YouTube catch up a sec.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, guys, looks like we're dropping. I'll try to fix that echo in a second.
Order filled.
Okay, is that you? You want to trade? Okay, was that you, bro?
Yes, I saw someone.
Okay. Okay, guys, K's in a trade. Currently in a sell position. I'm on your screen, bro, just so people can follow along.
Yeah.
Sorry, Will.
On the bright side with the echo, we get to hear double order filled with profits.
Oh, man.
We're gonna have to get that figured out later.
Wasn't doing that earlier in the week, though, was it?
I think yesterday done that. I had on the stream when I rewatched the stream. Does it have echo and stuff?
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have to think about my trade. Looks like heavy buy coming in. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close before I make a decision. So after this 5 minutes, I'll make a decision on my trade. If I see this candle closing above all of these, like somewhere here, I'll just close it. But if it close below, then I'm going to hold. And as you can see, my stop is tiny, only three handles. This is what I like to see. Keep trading lower, keep doing volume lower. Thank you. Appreciate that. Keep doing it. I want to see volume. There you go. It's dropping. But it doesn't mean anything if it doesn't do volume. It has to do volume. Okay. No volume. I'm going to take some more.
Order filled.
Yeah, somewhere Liam is like just
Rolling on the floor, laughing at our production quality.
You see how volume kind of tapered off? That gave me the clue that this pullback is coming. It has to do volume. If it's not transacting volume, that means there's no trade under. People are not willing to trade. Now, of course, it could happen over time, but I'm talking about this very specific candle. Okay, one sec.
wow, it's coming down, eh? Very nice.
Got a really nice drop. Oh yes. Can I take it back down to the 75? I have my TP sitting at 76. So yeah, just a little bit above that level. However, 75 is a minor level. What I'm looking at is 50. Okay, I'm going break even on my trade. Yeah, there you go. Stop. Okay, is it the most logical place to put my stop? Where did I put it? Right on top of the candle? Yes, I guess. Okay. Where can we go? Keep going. Where are we now? Okay, like I said, we did have a minor hold here, so I'm just gonna take that off. This is the next spot that we're looking at. If anyone hears me sipping on my tea, I do apologize.
Keep talking, Kay. Sorry, everyone. I'm gonna try and fix
Yes,
this.
yeah, no worries,
I'm gonna
no
try and fix
worries,
this
no
echo for
worries.
everyone. I just want to.
If you just hop on over to my chart, I should be able to, you know, pick it up. Alright everyone, we're just going to figure out where we can find resistance and support for the time being. So the resistance should be sitting here, and currently we're creating some volume down here. Okay, which is good, Market is turning around, but it depends where we close. If we close below all of that, then we can use this as resistance. If not, this will become the support for the time being. But this candle is still running, guys, still 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Okay, so looking at volume profile, that's the macro view, guys. Look at this. Let me quickly adjust that. There you go. You should find some support here from this green line, oh, the blue line and this yellow line. Oh yes, there you go, there you go. Am I hitting my TP? Almost. I'll just take it off. There you
Order
go.
filled.
Done. Trade done.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, you just had two banging trades from Kayla. What was that? 5 handles? 50 pips?
Oh, he's dropping. Yes. No, 8 handles. It's dropping. We're gonna get to 50 now. 75 gonna become resistance. Of course, we want to see what happens, and plus we are trading below previous day's low. We want to see a holding below previous day's low. Then we can target 50, because 50 is a major level, guys. Like earlier I explained. Look at this. 50 has minus 1.1 million delta sitting there. Okay, gamma exposure, sorry, not delta, gamma exposure. But if I were to look at delta, look at that, 26.74 million. Now let's look at open interest. Look, so much open interest, minus 503. Now this week, if we do hold, like today's closure, if we do get a closure below 39.50, upcoming week we could very well see overtime, okay, very well see market trying to get down to 3900. Okay, so yes, this is going to be interesting. Where are we sitting now? Let's see where we close. We're at 74.6, just poking above previous day's low. Yep.
Potential buy.
Yes, I mean, let's see how it holds. I mean, the idea about the buy, I see what you mean. Yeah, I see what you mean.
Let's see. Let's just see it hold. Let's see if we can deliver.
You want to see more?
Much more. I want to see much. Sorry, bro. I'll go back to your screen. Sorry.
No, you're chilling.
There you go. I'm back on yours.
Okay, because we're trading below previous day's low. Look at that. This is previous day's low. We're trading below it. Now, what I want to see, if I want to short this market, I want to see volume being transacted. And if you look at composite profile, guys, volume kind of died out over here. If I want to see market to, like, if I want market to go down, I want to see volume being transacted. So I have my eyes locked on to this spot. Okay, and also look at this. We do have volume being transacted, but looking at the macro profile, it's nothing major. That's why I like to see, look how it's spiking up. This gives you a clue. It gives you a clue whether if it's going to carry on with the down move or not. This is a huge clue. Now, look at this. This, if we break below all of that, and below this chunk of volume, we could very well go down more. Where can we find resistance? Up here. Okay, so what's the current price on spot? 68. What's the current price on futures? 72. So 4 handles difference. Keep that in mind, guys. 76 plus 4, which is going to be 80. Above 75, this is going to be. If you want to go short, you want to see the market holding below 75 on futures. Okay, and I believe we're about to tap 75 level. Yeah, we are tapping 75 level. Let me just quickly mark that for you guys so you can see. Let me change the color quickly. There you go. We want to see market holding below that. Also, let me just go over to my other chart. 75 to 80. Okay, 75 to 80 is the range. There you go, that's the range. If you look over here, 75, 80 to 70. So this is a big range. Big range we got. Okay, I want to short below that. If market can trade below that and hold, I want to short. And we can see 75 is holding at the moment. What can we see from the footprint? Okay, still, the profile of this candle is really not convincing for me. I want to see something like this. Okay, I want to see a nice balance. Over here, yes, it is transacting volume, but look at the macro volume. It's nothing major, nothing major. So I'm still sitting on my hands. I'll let you take over for a moment, Simon. I've got a phone call.
Yeah, thank you, man. So guys, I was looking at this level here that we talked about in the pre-market plan. We're just going to see if we do get any aggressive buying stepping into the market, but as Kay suggested, it does look like it would just continue through this. But what I want to see is this continue to hold, maybe get a little push up and then pull back in. But at the moment, just observing, just watching what the order flow is doing. No real confirmation yet that buyers are strong enough to start to lift this. As you can see here, they've tried a couple of times, but those little pops are getting slapped. So even if we can start to see maybe some office filling below price, passive buyers stepping into the market, that would be great. But at the moment, the liquidity is very thin until we start getting to the 39.60s. Passive orders resting there doesn't give me the overall confidence that this is going to hold. Possible that we could continue fill that level before we start to trade back up. But let's see what the market does.
You guys were talking so much, I wanted you to bring it to my chart because I caught a beautiful NAS trade, but it's almost going to be TP'd already, so...
Talk us through it. Shall I come to you?
Yeah, come to me before it hits my TP.
Okay. There you go. Trades popping off all over the place.
Am I up?
Yep.
All right. So we can see the execution lines here. Book a sell here. TP'd one there. Basically at this high volume cluster right here on my footprint. So over here on the footprint, you can see that we came up and there was actually trapped buyers up here. So I sold it as they rejected. And you can see my entries right here. Trapped buyers were just above my entry and price could never get back above. And then aggressive selling, you can see the selling delta, all the red, pushing it down. I took one off right here because potentially buyers could step in, but I'm more convinced with the sell, so obviously I'm taking the sell, looking for the sell setups, looking for the buyers to keep failing, starting to make a new low, and seeing if we can ride this runner, you know, a little bit further down.
Beautiful. Thank you, Will. So Will's called a trade. Very nice. He's giving you guys 2 trades already. Oh, Goldie. Oh dear. Have I missed mine? I get a little pullback. I might try this long, guys. Do need a bit of a pullback there, guys. I can't just take it off the rip. Now we're up here. See how larger orders are starting to come in on the bid. We have some positive delta come through on those last couple of candles. '70s are holding.
Oh yes.
'70s are holding. 4.
We are still below 75, so if I want to see up move back up to 4,000, I need to clear above 80. Because we're sitting in a negative gamma regime at the moment, which means any massive sell comes in, it's just going to amplify the move to the downside. How's the order flow looking, Simon, at the moment?
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's just obviously sellers are trying to break the '70s.
Yeah.
Failing, but let's see. Like I just say, buyers are really struggling to keep above 74, 75. So
Gotcha. I might have a trade coming up soon. I'm just waiting for this 5 minutes candle to close. Now, it all depends how it closes. If you can close below the chunk of the volume that is sitting on top of the candle, I'll definitely give the shot another go. And my stop will be really, really tiny. Like literally 1 or 2 handles, because I do not want to gamble with it. I do not want to gamble with it.
yeah, the thing is at the moment we're getting a lot. You see guys here, you see getting a lot of buy volume here, but they're not really having much joy.
Yeah.
Ideally, what you would see for confirmation of the buy is an immediate bounce to the upside, and then a pullback, and then off we go. But at the moment, these large aggressive buyers are really struggling to hold price up.
That's it. A lot of buys coming through, but the market unable to follow through. Looks like it is following through a little bit, but do they get to achieve what they're looking to do? That's the main thing. If they can't achieve their goal, then we're just gonna turn around and just drop. A lot of buy delta, heavy buy delta in last 2 candles. This candle and the previous candle, we've done like almost 600 positive delta on those 2 candles alone. So yes, another 5 seconds to go. I might give the shot a go. Yes, I'm selling.
Okay, I'll come to you, Kay. Yeah, I'll come to you.
Okay, yeah, my stop is right above this, no more than that. I'm risking only $80. Okay, this one, and I want to short this one as well. There you go. My stop should be, let's see, 76. I should be putting it at least 1 handle above the 75 level, because that's the most logical place.
Okay, guys, this is your 3rd trade of the day, YouTube. Your 3rd trade.
Okay, let's see.
We are popping trades like this all day, every day in the Discord. So make sure you follow the link in the description. Join the free trading academy.
If anyone followed us yesterday, got about like 2.5K, caught a massive sell from up there, because that's the 40-50 region that we are talking about, right? And look what we had at 40-50 yesterday, guys. We combine all of those levels together. So So we sold from up there. We took a massive profit, 2.5k. Okay, looks like I will get stopped out. I mean, yeah, whatever. I need the risk that was behind it.
Order filled.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
guys.
out.
I'm
That's
gonna-
fine.
I'm gonna try this. We'll try this long, guys. I'm in longs. I might also get stopped out. Let's see.
Man, what a New
lo-
York session.
Let's see.
Logically speaking, my stop should have been above this. Okay. Logically speaking, it should have been above this, but hey, I didn't want to risk more than I should.
Man, I hope YouTube is watching because, man, we popping trades off left and right. It's a good time.
The price 50. So, guys, I'm in from 30, 39, 70, 51. 39, 70, 51. My stops. Call it. Let's call it 8 handles. Put it there.
Look at delta on my chart. It looks like an erected penis. My God. I'm sorry. Had to use the analogy.
See, if we do start breaking below 67, then I'll cut it short. Because as Kay said, that's 75 level.
Order filled.
I'm trying 1 micro down. I'm selling 1 micro with a wider stop loss.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice, bro. I'm cutting this short. This is just going to drop.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
So guys, I'm out of mine for a 3-handle loss.
You had to weak me out, didn't I?
I just didn't.
And also, if you look at the volume profile, the low looks really weak. It looks really weak.
I'll post that for you guys. In the Discord.
I want to see aggressive selling coming in. There's still aggressive buying. Okay. I want to see aggressive selling coming in.
Post that for you guys.
Buyers are not giving up though. Come on, annihilate them. Those buyers are weak buyers. There you go. Thank you. Those are silly buyers.
Beautiful.
Silly buyers.
Thank you, man.
No, not you, not you. Not you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. It's because I want my trade to work out. That's why. Okay, this does not look good. I'm gonna sit break even. I'm gonna sit risk free. Buy stop. There you go. I need this to close below this chunk of volume. And where can we get to? Okay, we got to the spot where I wanted it to get to. Cool. I'm
Order filled.
taking 4. I'm taking 4.
Oh, look at that. Passive.
I'll close full.
Let's see, guys. See what happens.
Look, I had a level on spot at 3962.30. We tapped that just now.
Yeah, all just stacking
It's-
above. You can see that.
Yeah, it's gonna get to 50. 15 more handles to go.
Like guys, notice guys, you can see all this aggressive buying denoted by the green bubbles. Yes, I tried to take the buy, but it got instantly rejected. Closed at 3-handle loss. I've posted that in Discord for you guys to have a look at. And look, these buys just starting
Okay.
to step in. Starting to step in.
We are, because we're in negative gamma regime, Simon. Sorry, I'm gonna interrupt. Aggressive selling coming in. When you're in negative gamma regime, what market makers do, they sell with aggressive sellers. Okay. So, if we can close below this chunk of volume, I'll re-enter. But for that, we have to close
Ooh.
below.
Wow.
Look where the rejection is coming from. If you hop on over to my chart,
That's my trade back in. Oh man.
if you
Oh,
hop
well.
on over to my chart, I had a level there
Yeah.
coming
Yeah.
from back, God knows back when. Like, that's the reason why I took my trade off, because those levels are quite strong, like really, really strong. I'll have to go back quite a lot. I believe it's this one. Yes, this day. Do we have anything under? Let's see if I can get more data. Nope. Nope. I'm just being lazy, guys, that's all. Can't be asked to go back all the way. I could get the data, probably get last 7-8 years worth of data, and then I will have a level down there. But I'm lazy. We made our money. Okay, if we were to find resistance, it should be here.
Anything on Naswall? Anything for you?
No, nothing.
Oh, guys, if anyone held the buy, you'd be in pretty decent profit now. Is what it is. Let's see if that level can hold. It's got to get above that level that K is showing right now, the 72s.
So 70 to 80, okay, and 75 is the biggest level that we're looking at.
It is what it is, guys. You win some, you lose some.
Oh yes.
Sometimes the trade just goes against you first.
Man, this could be like a very significant low.
Yeah.
Like if they just pummel this to the high side, man, this might be the lows might be in for gold.
Oh
No,
man,
we might be
that's
going up to
TP
4,000.
That's TP
Yeah.
We
smash,
might be going
guys.
up to 4,000. Keep in mind. Okay, so let's see what the market does here. Right on top of this candle. This is where we tap that zone where I marked. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's take this off. We have chunk of volumes everywhere. Okay. This is quite significant. Like, let's see what happens. Oh, someone took a trade. Who done that? Please show yourself.
That would be me.
And what did you do?
I tried to play the momentum to the upside.
On gold?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you book in fully or no?
No, just a small loss. There's like a little bit of profit, and then I just let it ride just to see if it would, just to see if it would go.
Yeah.
Who wants to give this another go? We can.
If it comes back below 75, I will. You know me.
Who wants to give this a buy?
Oh, buy?
Mm.
I'm not sure. because I'm looking at volume profile. If you look at my volume profile, okay,
Mhm.
it's like, can you see? It's building up to be another D shape. So let's see what happens. I mean, it's trying to break inside this value again. If it does, then we could very well go back up to this point, 4,000 again. But if we fail to do so, if we come back below 75 and we start trading volume, then yes, we could very well go down to 50s. We have a lot of support at the bottom. Now guys, when I say support and resistance, I'm not talking about your stupid pathetic line that you look at candlestick charts and draw. No, I'm looking at real-time support and resistance created by objective traders, not like some subjective views or anything like that. I'm looking at this chunk of volume. That's my support. Look at this. Heavy sellers got annihilated. He's going to be the support. That's what I look at. I do not look at, oh yeah, we have a high here, we have a high here, we have a high here, market rejected, and this is going to be my resistance. No, that's crazy. Crazy to do that. We are trading market generated information. We're not trading emotionally or assumption generated informations. No. Market generated information.
That's NYSE opens in 22 minutes, guys. Get ready. You've already seen 3 trades today, 3 wins, 1 loss, and I think Ward took a loss. Oh no, sorry, a win on NAS.
Yep, and a small loss on gold. So gold took like I think like 33% of my profit.
Hi man, you guys have been spoiled.
Okay,
for
you're
trades
still up
today.
66%, which is good. Which is amazing. Okay, we are trading above previous day's low now. So, if we keep trading above previous day's low and above 75 with good volume, then we could very well go back up, Simon. And your idea of a buy is still intact. However, if we come back below 75 and previous day's low, we're in 50s. Let me see if anything has changed. Let's see. Open interest, no. $74,503.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and video downloads, so you can watch cooking shows as you eat aeroplane food. Try 1 month free of charge.
And we're back below 75 again. Okay. Now, this is where we can find resistance. It's a constricted zone, guys. We're going to have a lot of sideways movement around here. So keep in mind, we're going to have a lot of sideways movement towards this low, and because we're trading near the low and we're doing volume, it makes me think we're going to go down. Wall, what's your input on that?
Man, this is such a key level because, you know, obviously gold's trying desperately to hold on to 4,000s, right? So big decision to be made here. And yeah, you're right. It's like consolidating around here.
Yeah.
But man, it looks like it's still gonna try to make another leg lower.
Low, yes, that's what I'm expecting as well. Because I'm looking at the gamma. It's not my personal emotion or anything like that that is talking, guys. I'm talking about facts. I'm talking about where the market makers, the dealers are positioned. Okay. It's not me or anyone or any big banks. I'm talking about the dealers, people that are actually moving the market. Okay. People that have no interest in which way the market moves. All they care about is how to facilitate trades and make money off of that spread. They do not care about the direction. Now you have to know where those guys are sitting. Okay. Because they're sitting heavily at 39.50, the next down place. I don't know whether if it's gonna go there today, tomorrow, or whenever, but it will get to 39.50 at some point, and eventually 3900. So, if I see heavy sales coming in, I want to join that. I want to join that.
Well,
Yes, sir.
can you check at the bottom of the wicks? Is there like a follow? But you gotta scroll like a lot further away.
Oh, I would not worry about that.
Yeah, it's
Right
kind of
now,
like
So
a.
as far as like current day profile, we're leaving single prints to the downside.
Yep.
Simon,
Yeah.
how's things, bro? How's the things looking? How are things looking on order flow at the moment?
At the moment, man, we're just looking, yeah, just really struggling to break this, but it does look like we're going to. The sell delta is obviously increasing. Aggressive buyers, heavy buy, try to push above, but they have had no joy. No joy.
Yeah. Both are quite risky at the moment. Buy and sells. Both are risky. Because we are trading in a range. Wait until market shows its hand.
Yeah, I'm expecting, I think, once NYC opens, we'll get a good
Yes.
look. Get a good look. A lot of big movers on both sides right now.
Yeah. Until New York opens 2:30, we're gonna see sideways movement towards this low. Probably we'll just we cut the highs, we cut the lows, and stuff like that. But if it closes back inside the range, you can expect it to stay within that range until we get like convincing break of that value. Like this is creating a value here. If we do get a break below this, then I'll be more inclined towards a sell.
Buyers trying again, guys. Buyers trying again. Again, getting whacked.
We are tapping the 75 level again. And as soon as it tapped 75, my god, it just dropped. It just dropped. I'm itching to sell this market, but I know I'm going to end up regretting it, so I'm just holding myself back and straight back up.
Ooh,
Yep,
straight back
it's
up.
a noise zone. It's a noise zone. Anyway.
Never rush into anything, guys.
Nope.
Kay was able to use order flow and knowledge to know that was going to hurt. Telling that.
Because we see support towards the bottom, resistance towards the top. So we're just going to range at this point. We're just going to ping pong between those two zones and just stay within it until a big trader comes in and pushes the market. But I'm leaning heavily. I'm talking about with 95%, 99.9% conviction that we're going to move to the downside.
Oh man, clip
Hey.
that. Click that. Click that for a short. Click that.
99.9%
99.9%,
chance
guys.
that it will go down to the 50s.
This is going down.
Yeah. Now, that doesn't mean short squeeze can't happen. However, it doesn't make sense for a short squeeze to happen because if we close above 75, then what's the next spot? We're going to 4,000, right? So it doesn't make any sense for it to go above 80 and start trading. If anything, I want to see a trade below 70s and get down to 50s. Let's see.
Also, we got, the NYSE open in 12 minutes, so kind of makes sense. We're gonna sit here and just consolidate.
Yeah. Because we're going to have massive volume coming in, right? And that's when money to be made, guys. I'm telling you. When New York opens, this is where your money is. You can tell the way market is setting up. Look at the macro profile. Okay, we are doing volume here. What does that mean? We are interested at lower prices. All right, quickly visit the toilet. One sec.
See what happens, guys. Don't forget, I've got NYSE opening in 12 minutes, as Wolf said. Expect crazy volume to flood the market. If you trade NAS, as Wall has been doing today, that is really the New York Open and when the New York session, that's really when NAS comes alive. So if Wall sees anything, we'll hop over to his chart. So guys, just to recap, 3 trades, 3 wins, 1 small loss. I think within there we tried to take a buy. Unfortunately, we cut that short, but yeah, we probably shouldn't have played with it because it actually ended up going up. So we would have taken some good profit from that. Wolves had I think a win on gold and a very, very small loss, and also a win on NAS. So we've had a really, really active session today, guys. For me, personally, the way that I trade, I can't look for a short here just yet, unless I follow the momentum. For that, I need it to break and really flood aggressively to the downside with aggressive sellers. I wouldn't be selling this at the moment because just quite frankly, how low we are. And also it's just pure consolidation and chop at the moment. You can see on the footprint, we've got some big orders coming in on both sides of the market. So both on the bid and the ask side. So not anywhere particular that I want to do business just yet. As Kay was saying, ideally you want to see a bit of a structure forming, creating some higher highs, higher lows to the upside before getting a pullback and then the continuation. I was probably a little bit too cautious on my buy, guys. Cut it a little bit too short, but it is what it is. For those of you that were listening earlier, with Kay saying 99% chance this will go down, please make sure you manage your risk accordingly.
Don't take my word for it. This is just my thinking. But obviously, for the 99.9% chance to work out, I have to see the evidence of it working out. However, currently we're trading above 75, so in order for it to get down to the 50s and that 99.9% to be applied, it has to be below 75. We have to trade below 75. Until then, no.
Okay, guys, so to see what market's going to do. Got 9 minutes left. We'll stay for a little bit longer after NYSE opens, probably about 5 or 10 minutes, just to let the volume come in, and then we'll duck straight into the execution room on Discord. If you want to be part of that, make sure you join the Discord. Follow the link in the description. I'm not going to be risking too much, guys. I'm 2% up this week. No need to, well, sorry, 1.7% up as of now after that minor loss. So definitely don't want to be pushing anything. Yeah, again, guys, buyers getting clapped as they try and break and hold above the 75s.
I might have a sell coming up soon. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see how we close. We still got 3 minutes. A lot of stacked buy imbalance towards the bottom of this candle. If this can't push the price up, and if we close below that, we could very well go down quite a lot. Oh yes, those buy imbalances just got annihilated. And we're trading below that.
Yeah, guys.
Below 75 as well.
Remember that key level I showed you guys earlier on the footprint around the 85s, 70s. Now that looks like it's actually acting as a resistance now. After breaking below it and now holding below it. Could see a move down, guys. More than likely. And don't forget, guys, this overall market structure, gold is very bearish as well. You know, you want to follow the path of least resistance, but always make sure you're selling at a good price. You know, it looks like we're starting to break down.
Now that it's closing like that, I'm thinking, is the risk worth it? Because I wanted to use really small stop loss. Now my stop loss has to be widened, and I am not willing to do that. Even if the market was to drop, the risk to reward is not in my favor.
So here we go again, guys, trying to break the 70s again.
Wall, any trade on NQ?
No, because NYSE is too close. It'd be suicide. The New York Open, holy, gonna see the craziest crack candles on NASDAQ.
Listen, paying $10.99 a month for a streaming app and $9.99 a month for a music app and $12.99 for a fitness app.
Okay, this kind of confuses things. Now we have support and resistance on either side. Okay, we have support here. 2 points. Okay.
Some offers filling on the bid side as well, just below price just there. I don't know if anyone was eagle-eyed to see it. But let's see. See if the buyers can finally take over with this momentum. It was a nice strong push. Maybe up to VWAP, 39.90s.
Come on, Team Red. Let's go.
Here we go. Okay, back up to the 75s. Let's see what happens. Let's see if buyers can finally do it. Again, pre-market plan is still in play, guys. I talked about earlier, trying to break the 70s, failing. Let's see if they can finally lift. Again. Guys, don't forget, link in the description, free Discord. Start your order flow journey. Learn everything you're seeing here. Not only will you be able to watch all of this stuff, but you'll be able to ask questions, countless questions. Add this to your trading. You've got to join the Discord. You've got to get in there first. Let's see. See, guys, these little lines on my chart starting to spike, getting really means volume's coming in. We're getting a lot of volume coming in. People adding their orders to the current order book. Adding, pulling, getting filled, pull. A lot of activity coming in right now.
Man, you know what we need? Like that picture, I think it's of Abraham Lincoln saying, "We want you." It's like, we want you in the Discord.
Yeah, that war poster. We want you. Join our Discord.
Exactly.
We want you for the flow trading army.
Oh yes. I am interested. Let's see what happens.
Let me know if you want me to share your screen, bro.
Yeah, sure, I'll let you know, bro. But not now. I just want to see more evidence. I don't want to sit through the pain. You know me.
One minute and 40 seconds.
Watch the fireworks, guys. What's left? Little preview, little timer there. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Here we go. NYSE. The fact that we've consolidated down here for so long. Buyers have constantly tried. I wouldn't be surprised if we got a tiny little squeeze up and then bang, straight to the downside. "18 seconds, everyone, 18 seconds. Volume really picking up. Speed of the tape is really picking up. Here we go. Oh, it looks like it wants to drop. Looks like it really wants to drop. It's trying. God damn. So, oh wow, what absorption that was. My God. You saw like a big green bubble just get ate. Literally ate by a red bubble.
Pokemon type, eh?
Okay, guys. NYSE.
There you go. We are gone. We are gone.
There you go.
We are gone. Ooh, we just got to the support zone. Let's see what happens. Come on.
Yeah, buyers is getting destroyed here, guys. Let's see though, guys, because a lot of lot of stuff happening here, so don't rush into anything. Don't rush into anything.
yeah.
Don't rush into anything. You know, you can see straight away that did look like, oh my god, it's coming down, and then suddenly look about that we're back up here. So just take your time, see what the market's trying to do. That little spike there. See, we're straight back up here, guys. So don't, you see, immediately see red bubbles and think, there we go, there's the break. Now you're starting drawdown. Not to say it can't go down, but if you want to look for the best entries, just wait.
Well, I tried, got break evens.
Oh no, I took my profit. I took my profit straight up.
Ah, damn it. I thought she gonna spike the lows. I was like waiting for it. But man. I wish I just took
Here we go.
I was waiting for a single print on the 1 minute profile, but there was no single print. It went straight back up. Okay, we should find some resistance a little bit above.
Oh, you must
There
have
he
seen
is.
a lot
I
of
was seeing-
profit on that
I was
trade,
seeing
right?
like 4 handles too on the profits.
Oh.
Shit.
We're gonna give it about 5 more minutes, guys. See what NYFC does, and then we'll head into the private. YouTube has had some excellent trades today. Excellent knowledge.
Yeah, they're eating.
They are eating today.
Few minutes
75.
to go.
75.
75
Undefeated.
level is no joke, eh?
Undefeated champ.
Undefeated champ.
I mean, I'm sure you have like a large delta bubble up around here, and it just
It
keeps
does.
rejecting it.
Okay, yeah. This is gonna go down. That price action alone told me a lot. This is gonna go down. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes dust to settle so I can show the market.
Man,
Yeah, bro,
this is gonna get really ugly if they break this.
Oh yeah. Straight down to 50s.
Let me know, bro, and I'll share your screen.
Yep, sure. If I do it, you'll be only a small position. It's not going to be anything major. Thing is, this candle, we have to close lower. A lot lower. There you go. Okay, 9 seconds to go. Okay, I'm shorting.
Order filled.
Only one micro.
Okay, bro, I'm on your screen. Last trade of the day, guys, for you.
My stop is going to be above this. And I'm looking at 50s, by the way.
Hey, good luck, good luck.
Thank you, thank you. 220 candles high. Is this 220? No, over here. Okay, I'll just put it above 80. Go. Buy stop one. And I'm looking at sell stop one. I'll do one handle above prior to that level. Because sometimes what they like to do, they like to front run it.
Hey guys, manage your risk, guys. But you can see K's currently in a sell.
Let's see if it holds. Oh yes, 80. Come on, come on, 80.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I love it. Either way, it's good. because I'm wrong right away. Done. I don't have to sit through the pain. Okay. On my small account, oh god, don't tell me it's gonna weak me out and then go. That would be a joke.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pull it.
Oh no, it's going with single print. It's just gonna go up.
Yeah,
it's going up at this point. It's going with single print.
guys, if you did hold that buy, congratulations, you've smashed your TP. Don't worry. If not, I certainly closed it far too early. But we had some good, very, very good trades today. We'll come back next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out when we're going to be live. And guys, make sure you follow the link in the description to the free Discord. So I'm going to call it there, guys. I'll see you next week. Take care, everybody.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Take care.